Hi folks. Hey, someone requested that I do a demo on film of my method of making these little textured curly handles that go on the ends of large boat forms. They're not difficult to make. Let me show you how I do it. Come on over here. Okay, the whole process starts by forming a fat coil. I gather up a few tools, a wooden texture board, a selection of dowels, I'm not sure which size I'm going to end up using, and a knife of some sort. One can use a bladed knife. I tend to use these wire knives. Before I start really working on this, I want to dampen the surface I'm working on. I don't need a lot of water on it, I just need it damp. That keeps the coil surface soft and keeps it from drying out. Otherwise, this wooden surface or canvas surface will suck the water out of the surface of the coil, and when I bend it, it'll crack. So keeping it damp really helps. So just sort of smooth this off. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is taper it. I want it fat at one end and thin at the other end. And I do a little bit by hand. And then I'm going to use this smooth side of the texture board by running this edge on the board, on the works table. I get this rather smooth and tapered coil. Now I don't need a piece this long, so I'm going to cut part of it away. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to triangulate it, or put a bevel on this side and a bevel on this side. I'm going to do that, again, using the smooth side of the board. Okay, I want a straight edge on each side of the coil. And I want this sharpness to run right up the middle, so I'm going to press one more time here, one more time there. Okay, I'm going to put the edge of the coil up against the edge of the table, and I'm going to press some texture into it. Reverse it and press again. So that gives me a sort of herringbone look to the coil. I'm going to trim this excess away again. Now I'm going to use the length of the edge of this texture board and put a groove right down the middle. Now it's a little deeper at this end, a little shallow at that end. Next step is to simply wrap it around a dowel. I'll try a large dowel first. That seems to be about right. But I want to stick this end inside here, so I'm going to put just a little bit of dampness there. And force it tight. One more trim. And there's my curly handle. Thanks for watching, folks.